Hey guys, got a 2014 plate Vauxhall Corsa here. Just going to show you how to adjust the dates and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the center console. Make sure your engine is turned on or the ignition on. And from here, I'm going to use these buttons here. First, I want to press settings. It'll take you to this drop down menu. And then from here, press in the dial on time and date. Then if you spin the dial, you can select the different settings, so time and date there. So if you want to adjust the time, just click in the dial. Now turn the dial once it's highlighted on the hours or the minutes you want to change. And then once you're done, click in the dial again. Then keep clicking and that'll save that. And then same again to the date. Turn the dial, click in the dial to go on to the date. Now turn the dial on the date to change it. Then click in the dial and that's it.